I'm back. Yeah. So I am. What is it doing? Okay. Yeah. Christian Motion Assay Labs. Back with more. With a break. Things are so different now. Coding is not the same. It's It's just not the same. Anyway, things I had been planning for a long time, just like finally, just like okay, let's dive in. Let's do this. It's good to have a good plan, I have to say. Let's see. Okay, no, not that one. I want. Camera rig. Is that the camera? Wait, no, it's in here. Okay, it's the local character sim. There we go. Okay. Like check this out. All right. Opus 4.6. This is pretty crazy stuff. I basically just offload it what I the smart things to follow. Like I want a batch so that it batches all together, runs it on the thread that's off the main thread. And then when all of that batch is done, then it adds it back in. So it's less disruptive. For the collision streaming system, which is like, okay, in order to let the player just walk forever. No, I mean they can walk forever. They can walk the entire planet. They'd run out of oxygen before they got probably 1% done. But if they had infinite oxygen and infinite time, they could just walk around the entire planet or moon, I should say, nonstop. Nothing's stopping them. Absolutely nothing would stop them from doing that. So that sounds crazy, and it is. And the moons are real sized. I have to emphasize that they are realistically sized, and it still works. But anyway, we're having performance issues because nothing's optimized yet. Everything's running on the main thread, etc., etc. So that's what this change is about. Also, it's implementing a change to the Anyway, yeah, I'll read that in just a second. A maximum batch size. So and allow batches to run concurrently. Reset number of batches tracker. Yeah. So that. And now it's gonna do its thing. I'm gonna review this one. Unity. Yeah. So we have now taken all of our type loaders. Okay, loaders appreciated. 12 of them are gone. Cool. Less code, more good. Scriptable objects have been updated. All of these types, like this is the base. This is like not gutting some of the game, but like cleaning up a lot of this old code that I had. So like these loaders, I never liked them. I absolutely did not like them. But it's just what I kept on going with because it's what I started with, and I never had time to like just fix it. And now it's like, okay, hey, AI, I don't like this. I don't like how it works. I don't like the overhead that it imposes. Is there a way that we can integrate this, basically lean into the asset management system that Unity already has? They're maintaining that. I don't have to maintain it. And have all of these types loaded in. And this change is actually mod compatible. So I'm just, we may or may not get there. I'm really hoping we do. But if we get there, you'll be able to just pack up everything into an asset, drop it in, and it will see those and load them up just as if they're part of the base game. Then if you want to disable the mod, you just disable loading from that package. So to activate, add to your core scene and remove or disable the individual loaders. Like, I'm going to show you what this means. We have, now it's going to take a while. Hold on. Yeah, I'm just going to go into the core scene. Hopefully this doesn't hang on me. Oh my gosh, Unity has been hanging on me. And I think it's my code. I think it's my code. I don't think it's Unity's fault. I think it's my code's fault. There's something running. But anyway, so we have this persistent settings, reference lists. All right. Equipment type loader, item type loader. Oh, oh, that's fine. But 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 that I'm actively using. 2 more that I guess I don't have. Anyway, so instead of all of this. I'm gonna go and oops, disable them all. Why do I just disable them all like this? And type. I think it was type registry manager, wasn't it? Type registry manager. Yeah. That's it. Done. I've been, the AI and I talked about this, how it was going to be. So I know that's it. Just one single script, and I can show you that script now. Actually, I do want to see it. Load async, everything's async. Nice. Okay. Oh, that could have been put in there. But anyway. Okay, so load async. So this, I know where to start. Is there a check to make sure that everything's loaded up? There's not, but maybe that's something that we could just add in real quick, because we would want the save load system to be like, okay, if the type registry is loading up, or actually start the game, we want this all loaded before you start the game. That's right. I'm not sure. Anyway, that's something we can do. Yeah, all of these. Purity grade, got that. Chemical type, regular type, metal type, powder, item type, and part type is depreciated. Yeah. It still needs loading for backwards compat. No, it doesn't. Anyway. But yeah, equipment type, equipment group, post loading by sort weight. Oh, right. Yeah, yeah, because if you have a different group, this is the groupings for the UI. Just probably call it an element UI group. Anyway, then it will change where it is on the UI. So if you have, effectively, if you want in your mod, if you want to add another equipment group type, go for it. If you want to add your equipment into an existing group type, go for it. That's the whole thing. The only thing you won't be able to do is delete equipment group type. But we'll probably have stuff like anyway, we might allow that. We'll have stuff like that where you just hide the group type and you never unlock it. Never allow any equipment in that group to be unlocked. Anyway, yeah, because no, you're not done yet. Okay. They're fully working. Replace the entire update loop. Yeah. Okay. So it's doing its thing. Wow, it's got a while to go. And I can't play the game right now because I'd like to show you that I can actually get 40 frames per second going after all the loading is done, and hopefully get that 40 frames per second if we can offload enough from the main thread. Because right now the main thread is bogged down by the mesh generation. Like it's 100%, not 100%, but it's like it will go from like 10 frames per second while it's generating meshes to 40 if you're just standing still. It's like this is in the editor, so it goes even faster when you're not in the editor because it's overhead, all that stuff. So the target for us is 40 frames per second in the editor at this more than 1080p resolution. If we can do that, then I'm confident. Like on the computer I have right now is not, it's not like super powerful or anything. So if we can get 40 frames per second here, we should be able to get something playable on, you know, 2 or 3 year old laptop, let's say. Maybe not with integrated graphics, but you know, although some of those integrated graphics now, modern integrated graphics, it should run just fine. But the XE2, I think it was. Yeah, it was good stuff. Like we bought a laptop for not that expensive a few months ago. I was like, oh my gosh, this can play with a break, like easily. It was great. Yeah. So that's where we are. But anyway. Whoa. Like, how long would that have taken me? Compile cleanly. Here's a summary of the async batch. Okay, cool. So thread safety. Double dispatch. Yeah, okay, cool. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, double dispatch wouldn't be too bad, but yeah. Anyway. So let's see. Now we'll need to configure it probably with batch sizes. Because we actually are generating 2 collision meshes. That's probably, yeah, yeah. Thinking on it, I was like, yeah, that's probably what's impacting the gameplay while you're running around. So you have character sim, collision streaming. This is the ground streaming. Then allow burst loading. Yeah, burst load multiplier. Ooh, boy. That's probably what's doing it. I'm just gonna say right now, I think that's doing it. Oh, max batch. Okay. Max concurrent batches. Max batch size. What? Maybe it means it's batches is turned off. Let's see. That's my guess. Okay, let's check. I want to make sure. Oh, I just had it open. Max batch size. 0 equals auto. I could have just done this. Oh. Okay. So 0 is auto. Interesting. Max concurrent batches is 3. Burst load multiplier. That shouldn't have an impact, as big of an impact now. Oh. Anyway. Let's see. I'm going to actually watch my performance CPU utilization. Oh, I don't get to see the breakdown. I've got 12 cores, 24 threads, and I can't see them all. There's a different program. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what happens to my CPU now. Oh, I'm falling. Okay, fun. Let's see what's going on. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it didn't load in fast enough. Oh boy. Okay. So, bummer. So now it's going slower. Not. Oh, but my CPU was like 50% utilization. I never did that before. Wow. I thought it would be pretty quick to load in the batches. Yeah, test that around. Like I thought it would be. Well, this is I think we're going to we're going to freeze the character. do is we'll just freeze the character in place. This is something we should be doing anyway. It's like if you're coming in from high velocity, there's no way the gliders will be ready for you. Yeah. Other games do this. Don't worry about it. It's pretty common. Then we will tackle Logan gliders fast. Okay, let's try this. Yeah, I'll be right back actually. um, yeah, cool things. Is anyone watching? I wonder. My chat is frozen. I should be opening up Chatterino. Oh, bummer. For some reason. There we go. I'm in. Yeah, I'm live. Okay. All right. I'll be back. is? Oh, well, Chatterina's only going to see Twitch, huh? Oh, well. Why is chat not working here? Oops. Okay, now let's bring up Windows. Windows chat. There it goes. What to do? I want to be to the right of this one. There we go. So we can see the chat. Okay. Okay. Let's see here. All right, now we're getting some results. It's mostly done. Okay. Oh. Freeze thought to client controller. Blocked. Okay. New freeze physics. Okay. Client controller. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Thought physics. Good. Looks like it did what I was hoping for it to do. And now I'll just freeze you. Won't let you move. Sorry. Until the enough colliders are ready. And I might need to change. What is this adaptive programs that I clicked on? Oh, the scene is definitely does not belong to any baking set. Because we don't want to bake it? Why? I don't remember adding this. Honestly. But adaptive for volumes. So it's not actually adaptive profiles. It's pre-baked profiles that adapt to daytime. I think that's what it is. Which doesn't work for us. By the way, you can go anywhere on the planet, and suddenly, whoops, doesn't work. Anyway, got our reference list now, which theoretically, at least, everything should still work. We'll find out. So what we want to do now is check this. Be checking on this. Can we see? No, it doesn't have any thaw. It won't let us see the thawing. Oh wait. Local question. This on ground freeze. But this has thaw in it, right? No, where did that thaw? Freeze physics. Client controller. Oh, it's here. Right, well, oh, it's way at the bottom. I see. And this has interaction location. Relative star system, yes. Simulation and anchor location. So that is. Where are you? Wait, what? Character sim. Wait, what? Hold is where's this coming from? The player character. Oh, right. But not the client controller. Player character. So the character is in the simulation. Okay. Anyway, we'll see how this works. I'm hoping it doesn't do it every time we move. Yeah. Anyway, we'll find out. I'm hoping. It's all better now. Yeah, so we're like frozen. Way above the surface. There we go. Oh, we're frozen. No, I think we actually hit the ground. Yeah. Why? Interesting. Yep, things seem to be working. Oh man, this is all sorts of. That's the collision stream, or not even collision stream image. Where did the other objects go? Oh, I think the equipment, the rover's loaded in, but the other equipment didn't. Let's see here. Oh, it's just not here. It is not here. Weird. Let's just stats. Here we go. All right, so what I don't want to look at is, yeah, see this. This is going by about the same speed as it was before. It's just batches. This character chunks should be. Yeah, that's the thing. Oh man, it's like a bunch of chunks. So even if it has, 4 chunks, 4 at a time. It's a lot. So this one has burst loading. This one should not. This is the site. So it does not allow burst loading. is my... Yeah, it's not really doing anything to my... Yeah. I wonder... Burst load, 16 out of that. I'm gonna try something. So I'm going to try. I really want it to be not 16 max completions per frame. Let's just do 1. And then on the site, surface site. Terrain. There we go. I'm going to do max concurrent batches. 1. I'll do 2. 64 batches. Max completions per frame. Again at 1. Hopefully, so it's like kind of has... It loads it up in the background. And then per frame... Well, it really should be per late update or something like that. I think I'd rather slowly trickle it in. Yeah. We'll see if that works. But we might need to do the same thing to the LOD rendering. Yeah, that thing's crazy. That's really not. I was hoping it would just be like slowly. Well, let's see what happens when the LOD system is done, which is the stuff that's under our feet, stuff that we're seeing. Yeah. Interesting. That was taking a really long time. There's 2. Oh man. Better, but it's gotta be better than this. Oh man, the LOD system loads in. It's like complete hit. Yeah, it's got it. This is not enough. about that table. The console. I don't know why it's... I'm going to try something. If we were to disable this guy. What are we looking at? I want to see it like steady 40 frames per second. I think until this is done, I'm not going to get that. That just froze me. It froze me. What's going on? It just completely froze me. That's a bummer. And now something's going on. Let's see what's going on. Why did it do that? Yeah, I thought it would do some things. I see. Let's see how it had just a couple things in the last batch. Actually loaded them really quick. That's a bummer. I can't walk around. And I think I just gotta get going here. All right, I'm gonna get going. I'll still work on this, but I just gotta 10 things. So stay safe in the verse. I'll be back later.